If you're looking for a complete restoration tutorial, this video is not for you because it only covers the initial steps needed to fully restore the rim. But if you're looking for the fastest, cheapest, and easiest fix possible, this could be worth trying since you might already have the tools on hand. My Jeep is 13 years old, so restoring the rim to its original condition isn't necessary. I was mostly concerned with removing sharp edges to make cleaning the wheel easier and improving overall appearance. If you've watched some of my other tutorials, you'll know I'm not against busting out a power tool when I need to, and today's video is no exception. I'll be using a Dremel to file down all the jagged edges and smooth out the rest. Starting with the lowest speed, let the wheel do the work as you move from one end to the other. You can always increase the speed and change your angle once you figure out which areas are giving you the most trouble. Try to remove only what you need while following the shape of the rim. This isn't a complete fix, but it will draw less attention to the area and is still an improvement that could be an option worth considering if you have an older vehicle. Now the next Jeep tutorial is going to be more custom than this, so until then, thanks for watching.